folks, it's us again. It's still cold in here. It's not cold outside, it's only like -1. And the daytime temperature has been like, what, about +2? It's spring's coming, and the reason how we know spring is coming is because when the maple trees run, that's when you know spring's here. Yeah, the hand signals. Whoa! Ninja! Anyway, enough of that crap. I also picked up some, I bought one of these, polycarbide abrasive wheel at Horror Freight. Will you stop humming? I picked up one of these because I want to get some, well, one, they're like $20 for like 5 of these online. Actually, probably be like cheaper to buy them online, but stop!
Stop what?
Stop giggling in the video. I'll take it out of the package, I'll show you. We got the gigglies here.
I don't like those packages.
I don't like them either. They cut open your fingers.
They suck.
Yeah, hey, don't be saying that stuff online.
Oh.
This is where you see me rip open an artery on live on YouTube. Let's see. Just try to get this out of here. Try not to lose a finger. Come on. Oh, we got the fancy package out. Anyway, goes in the garbage. Instructions. It's basically yeah. Hold on. I showed him. Little Harbor Freight stuff. I probably will order some from. I've been looking online. A certain person who's addicted to hammers. What do you call it? Likes benchmark abrasives, and I'll see how those work. I just wanted a cheap one for now. Try it. I also picked up this thing. One of my wife's cousin's husbands wants one of these. It's a Bauer wood carving thing for a grinder. 4-inch Bauer, 4-inch 6 carbide tooth carving disc. Thought it was cool. $7. So let me try to cut this one open. Oh, I almost cut my finger open. We'll just you while I'm doing this. Na. Na.
It smells like a banana.
Banana. I think I'm going to fire my co-host next time. We'll get one of the other ones in here. And the other kids.
Why?
Because you make too much noise.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. All you do is talk to videos.
Don't.
You're worse than your dad. That's me, by the way. My kids talk as much as me. Anyway, this fabulous tool here is basically this little monstrous little orb here with carbide on it.
It looks like a monster.
I don't know, it feels like it's rubber coated. Does that feel rubbery?
Yeah.
It feels like it's coated rubber. Maybe my hands are so cold it's... Maybe. Be careful, these are sharp.
Yeah.
Maybe they aren't sharp, they're just blunt. So anyway, we're going to hook it up to the grinder and we're going to... Maybe we should make a wooden bowl. I got some cherry wood that's probably totally rotten. We can test this out on.
What, a cherry?
Yeah, cherry.
A cherry that's
From your grandpa's cherry tree.
And what?
Well, he had a cherry tree, but it had a disease and died, so I cut it up and made it. Wanted to keep it for smoking in the smoker. I picked up one of these for you. Yeah, parking lot sale. Harbor Freight, used lot sale. They always want me to join the Inside Track Club, but I didn't care. So anyway, that's it for this bit. How much time we have in here? A 4-minute video. Oh my god! Imagine that I talked for 4 minutes. So yeah, let's put these down here.
4,000 hours.
4 million trillion hours. Let's put this in here.
4 billion, million, quadrillion, billion hours. Oh wow, there's better tools on here.
She likes the advertising. So anyway, we're gonna end this video here, and then I guess we're ending the video here. We're not making crazy videos today. I gotta make actual videos, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, thanks for watching.
We gotta look
Like-
at newspapers.
Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about my channel, and keep watching because I need more watch hours. So,
Oops.
Toodles, do your thing while she breaks everything.
No, I don't.
Where is it?
You
we
break
go.
everything.